bagong gising kasi to, sir. Nung time na yun, sir. Medyo
Bagong?
gising siya nung time na yun, nung nasipa.
Bagong gising daw po, sir.
Nasipa, sir.
Justify bagong gising for that kind of action. Justify. Special action force tayo. Ha? SAP tayo.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your Honor.
Mag-justify na bagong gising. Porque bagong gising, gaganunin yung babae. Ha? Pulis ka. Tinraidor mo yung babae. Babae pa.
Yari ka.
Galing sa likod, gaganunin mo ng pepper spray na wala. Nagsasalita lang naman yun sa harap ng mga tao doon. Tapos, galing sa likod pa. With the element of treachery. I tell you, nakakaya. Pulis yun. Tapos babae pa yung may edad pa na babae. Mas matanda sa kanya. Gaganunin niya galing sa likod. Tirahin ng pepper spray. Tapos sibat siya kagad.
What's up mga kababayan? News That Matters here. Dito sa video natin ngayon ay ating panonoorin itong nangyayari sa net hearing sa Davao mga kababayan. Mismo sa compound ng KOJC. Buta tayo itong si Torre mga kababayan dahil puro kasinungalingan ang lumalabas sa kanyang mga bibig. Kasama ang kanyang mga kapulisan na buti na lamang talaga pumunta na itong sina Senator Bato at Senator Robin Padilla dito sa Davao nang magkaroon ng diskusyon sa pagitan ng PNP at ni Torre at ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Yari kayo ngayon, lalo na't may mga ebidensya, no? Ang mga nasa loob ng KOJC na pati bomba pinapasok ninyo sa loob ng compound lubhang napakadelikado nun. Pero bagong lahat mga kababayan, huwag niyo po sana nakalimutan mag-like at subscribe para updated ka sa mga uploads ko araw-araw. At yun na nga mga kababayan, wika nga ni Senator Bato at Senator Robin Padilla, kaduda-duda ang mga ginagawa nitong si Torre. At sa kanila rin ang galing na illegal ang ginagawa nitong si Torre kasamang kanyang mga kapulisan. Kung kaya naman mga kababayan, hindi ko na patatagalin pa, heto na ang buong video.
Ilang pulis po nag-attend sa kanya despite our pleas, no?
Paano nyo nakarga sa ambulansya nyo na ang nag-asikaso pala nito mga tao nila?
Your Honor, they used the cathedral as the casualty collection point.
Okay.
Many times I attempted to enter that place. Many times I was barred by these people. And only in the brink of dying, nung mamatay-matay na ang kanilang kasama. Actually, sir, humihinga pa yan na isinakay, sir, sa ambulance. Nung alam na nilang hindi na nila kaya, sir, ibinigay na sa pulis, sir. Kaya dinala namin sa ospital. At kami ang nagdala sa ospital niyan, sir.
So, alam niyo na may mga casualty doon sa loob ng
Yes,
cathedral.
sir. Yes, sir.
O, hindi kayo tumulong na dali sa ospital ito.
Sir, ako personal na pupunta ron, sir. Hindi nila ipapakita, mamaya sir, ipapakita ko ang klase ng mura at pag-alipusta na kanilang ginawa at ang pakiusap nila, this is the most sacred place, this is our cathedral, huwag kayong pumasok dito at andyan ang mga may sakit. Okay po, no problem po. Kaya hindi namin talaga sir napasok yan only after the third, fourth day na sir.
Ano yung nakita ko doon kanina na
Grabe ka,
ginawa
Torre.
ninyong communication room yung cathedral?
We will,
Nandun yung mga radyo.
we will answer that sir sa aming briefing sir. May briefing din ako na-present sir.
Just answer directly today. Kasi sabi mo
Anong briefing?
na hindi nyo kontrolado. Pero nung nag-inspection ko ngayon doon, control
Sumagot.
ninyo. Nandun yung mga radyo ninyo.
That was the
Explain.
place, sir. That was the place where we detected the live and breathing 6 feet underground in the bedroom of Apollo Quiboloy, sir. Pati ang aso doon, sir.
Muna, about control
Yes,
of the cathedral. Kasi sabi mo, nung nangyari yun, may namatay, hindi nyo kontrolado, hindi kayo pinapasok ng
yes,
mga
sir. Yes, sir.
KOJC members.
Yes, sir.
Pero ngayon, apparently, you have full control of that establishment. Pinuntahan ko, nandun yung mga radyo
After
ninyo.
the third or fourth day na, sir.
After na.
Third, fourth day na, sir.
Sir,
Sige, thank you.
if I may, sir, with due respect to the good general, during that time, sir, para siyang si Hitler Para siyang si Hitler. Medyo maalanganin ka maglapit sa kanya kasi tapang-tapak na, shock and awe, no? Shock and awe yung kanyang ginamit po noon. Imposible yun na kung gusto niyang pumasok sa cathedral. Sino ba? How can an armed members of the KOJC resist the general who actually, he just said it, expected casualties? He said that. he expected casualties in the mere service of a warrant, no?
Attorney,
Yes, Your Honor.
pag magkanda ka ng operation, you expect for the worst palagi. Kaya naka-ready na yung mga lahat ng posibleng mangyari, paghandaan mo. Kaya expect ka rin ng casualty talaga. But yun lang ang tanong ko. Gusto ko maklaro, kaya nga pinutol ko yung presentation mo. Kasi interesado talaga ako to bakit namatay ito. As you said, per your allegation, na umabot pa ng 1 hour bago ito nabigyan ng pansin. Apparently because hindi nyo mapuntahan dahil hinaharangan kayo ng pulis. Ngayon, ang pulis nila nagsabi na sila nagdala sa ospital, pero yun pala, after na, nung na-determine nyo sa loob na mukhang malabo na ito, kailangan dalhin na ng ospital. Am I correct with that understanding?
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
ang nangyari po doon, di ba madaling araw? Yun na, pagsabog na nung tear gas doon sa may gate na pinuntahan natin, nag-collapse na si Brother Edwin sa tower kasi siya yung nasa tower. May video po.
Okay, sige.
Tapos, hindi namin siya mababa kasi nakaharang yung police. Yun yung totoo. Kahit tanungin natin yung mga members na nandun, yun po talaga nangyari. Nandun lang siya sa taas.
So nakita ng mga pulis na nandun sa
We were
taas ng tower,
asking for help.
Andun
siya sa tower, kung makita niyo kanina yung may mga...
Sino mga tao mo doon sa tower? Banda?
Wala, ang mga pulis nakaharang sila, nakabarricade.
Oh.
That tower, sir, is occupied by KOJC, sir. Hindi lang naman mag-isa, sir, ang tao doon sa taas. At hindi na, yun actually, sir, ang mga
May
defenses.
kasama siya doon sa taas.
We will actually, yes, sir, we will address that, sir, in the presentation that we will present later.
Okay.
In the
Hindi
video,
para hindi
sir.
tayo mabag down dito sa issue na yan. Please continue, Attorney Torion.
Sir, may I say something, sir?
Yes, go ahead, ma'am. Attorney.
I'm Attorney Diana Tolentino Fuentes. We have here, sir, Engineer Lito Zapanta from the Kingdom of Jesus Christ. He is one of the persons who suffered a heart attack.
Good afternoon po, Mr. Chair.
Good afternoon.
Opo, nung time po ng pag-attack nila, andun po ako
Yari
sa
ko
hangar
story niya.
sa likod. Ngayon po, nakita ko, nasaksayan ko yung pagputol nila pagkat nila ng bakod. Kaya hinarangan ko po, kinausap nila Basko doon pagkaputol nung bakod, dahil manipis lang, kinausap ko po yung nagsasalta sa megaphone. Sabi ko, meron po kaming pintuan sa harap, bakit di po kayo doon pumasok? Pero binigyan kami ng warning, kaya napilitan akong pumasok sa loob namin kasi obstruction of justice daw, kakasuhan kami. So nakiusap po ako. Pero nung na sila, barricade, nag-shield, prepare pagpasok, nung hinarangan namin, 4 lang po kami, nakiusap kami, biniran nila ako palabas. Doon, medyo mataas po ang BP ko noon. So kinaladkad nila ako palabas, pinadapa, tinapakan sa likod, sa ulo, tapos pinusasan. Gusto nga pong pusasan pati pa ako, kinaladkad nila ako doon, palabas, pinilayo ako. Hanggang sa tingin po siguro ng pulis na medyo hirap na ako sa kalagayan ko, may dumating pong pubuya po ba yun o kinuhaan ako ng BP. Sabi mataas ang blood pressure ko pero wala pong gamot na ibinigay miski isa. So salamat po sa Diyos, dumating po yung asawa ko, may dalang gamot kaya po na-relieve po ako. So yun po ang nangyari.
Thank you. You're raising your hand, Mr. Darwin.
Yes, sir. Kami po yung naka-station doon sa kanilang barikada. Napakahaba po nung kanilang human barricade na yun. Ngayon po, mayroon na nga pong inatake, siya po yata yung inatake doon sa kabilang side ng barikada. Yung mayroon pong isang umiiyak na asawa na gusto pong tumawid doon sa barikada dahil nga po inaatake na daw po yung kanyang asawa. Hindi po talaga nila pinatatawid. Nakikiusap ako, naka-livestream po ako noon. Nakikiusap ako na baka pwede patawirin natin asawa, wala kayong mga puso. Ayaw po nilang patawirin. Hanggang sa dumating na po yung mga nurses ng KOJC, pinapakita po nila yung ID nila sa mga kapulisan natin. Nurse ako, patawirin mo ako kasi meron inaatake sa puso na kasamahan namin. Kasama pa yung abogado, pinakita din po
What
yung
particular part yan ng
papunta po ng hangar.
hangar?
Opo, papunta po ng hangar. Nakabarikada po silang ganun. Parang hinati nila eh. Yung papunta ng Kingdom at saka papunta ng hangar. So hindi ka na po talaga makakatawid doon. Pag nasa kabilang side ka, hindi ka makakapunta rito. Kung nandito ka, hindi ka makakapunta ron. So sabi ko, emergency po ito. Nurse, may inaatake, license, pati yung lawyer, pinapakita niya yung license niya. Hindi po talaga binigyan ng access. Ang tagal-tagal, until talagang nagpumilit na lang kami na biyakin yung kanilang barikada, nakalusot yung dalawang tao na yon, yung misis at saka yung abogado. Yung nurse.
Sinong pan mo doon, General Torre? Sinong ground commander mo doon sa may hangar at that time? We have to know the...
Sir, I gave that task to secure the hangar and the backstage with the RMFB and the SAPSA.
Sino ang official mo doon para matanong natin?
Rex Malimban and
Rex Malimban?
Colonel Rex Malimban, sir, and Colonel Eric Sibal.
Sir, is it true? Yung allegation nila na alam ninyo na mayroong nag-collapse doon sa likod ng barricade ninyo tapos hindi nyo pinapasok yung gusto mag-rescue.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Sir,
Good afternoon.
for our part, sir, actually, our main objective is to secure, sir, yung area, sir, nung sa may malapit, sir, sa may residential area. So we went through yung bakod, sir, na sinasabi nila doon sa hangar, sir. Actually, sa hangar. So, during that time, sir, nung pumasok, actually, hindi naman, sir, gumamit talaga ng tear gas doon. So, yung nakita, sir, na usok ay galing, sir, sa fire extinguisher, sir, na ibinuga, sir, sa tropa, sir, fire extinguisher. So, tama naman po yung sinasabi, sir, na
Sandali. Bakit magkakaroon ng fire extinguisher?
galing po sa loob, sir.
Galing sa loob.
Yes, sir.
Bakit niya ginawang fire extinguisher? May sunog ba?
Hindi, sir. Kami ang binugahan, sir, ng fire extinguisher.
Kayo ang binugahan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, sir. Wala naman kami dalang fire extinguisher, sir. So, anong nangyari,
Meron
sir?
kayong video niyan na binugahan kayo ng
Meron, sir.
fire
Yes, sir.
extinguisher?
We have, sir. So, during that time, sir, ay tama po yung sinabi kanina, sir, naputol yung bakod. So, nakiusap kami, sir, na pumasok. Ba't nagkaroon, sir, ng commotion? So, what we did, instead na kami, sir, ng sapang pumasok, initially, nag-request kami, sir, ng CDM para harapin, sir, yung mga tao, sir. Unfortunately, sir, medyo makikip, sir, yung daan, sir. So, we need to cut another part of the fence.
Okay lang yun. Hindi ako nagtatanong doon sa pagpasok ninyo.
Yes,
Yung possible entry ninyo doon. Hindi ko tinatanong. Ang tinatanong ko, yung may nakiusap sa inyo na i-rescue nila yung tao na nag-collapse doon sa likod ng barikada ninyo, yung mga CDM ninyo, hindi nyo pinapapasok daw. As alleged by Mr. Darwin, ang palido mo, Darwin? Salcedo.
Sir, I don't know what time was that, but during that time, sir, maring wala na kami doon, sir. Kasi ang nag-secure, sir, noon is CDM, sir.
Sino yung CDM na yun?
Kami, sir, doon kami pumunta sa may residential area.
CDM na yun.
Sir, I'll review the name, sir, ano? Pero dumaan din ako dun, sir, later. Dahil inikot ko, sir, yan ang buong area just to check on my men and to check on everybody. Sir, hindi po totoo na in-stop namin ang mga sasakyan nila, sir. Hindi namin kayang i-stop, sir, ang mga sasakyan.
Dito muna tayo
ambulansya.
dito muna tayo. Pinag-usapan natin yung sa hangar.
Opo,
Na
sir.
may nag-collapse daw sa likod.
Opo, sir.
Kukunin nila, nandun yung asawa, nandun yung mga doktor, nurses, ayaw
Sir,
papasukin.
that is impossible. Kasi, sir, they can freely move around. Pastor Marlon Acobo is in a vehicle na pinagmumura pa ako, sir, doon sa barricade namin sa may hangar. At pwede talaga, sir, dumaan, especially kung makita natin mamaya, sir, sa
Okay.
video na lang, sir. Let's let the video speak for itself,
Mr.
sir.
Darwin, you said nagla-live ka noon. So
Naka-live.
sigurado ko may video
Yes,
ka.
meron po.
Nasaan?
Kung gusto niyo po, i-present ko sa inyo sa
I-present
mother
mo,
time.
sir, ha? I-prepare mo.
Opo,
Para
Opo.
malaman natin who is telling the truth here.
opo,
Ha?
opo.
Ayaw kung kaya tayo nag-hearing so that we can we can come out with the truth. I-prepare mo yung presentation mo.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
can we please have I don't know how this hearing goes like this, but I would like to request, if it's possible, to have a count for the lies that General Torre is caught saying, like for the past how many minutes pa lang, nakailang sinungaling na siya. And this is important because this is a Senate hearing and he
Yari kayo, Tore. Makukontempt ka na yan. Sinungaling ka pala, sabi ni Dr. Baduy. Grabe ka talaga. Nakakatawa mga comment ng taong bayan. Sabi, tayo na daw tong si Tore sa hearing.
if he has that arrogance and that impunity to lie to senators, then what chance do we ordinary citizens have with a man holding a gun?
Well, I can tell you with all clarity na regardless kung siya ang regional director ng PRO 11, if I find him lying before this committee, I can cite him in contempt.
Oh, Mr. Chair, he just lied.
Leave
A
it
number
to
of
me
times.
to determine the
Okay.
lies.
Okay, Mr.
It's
Chair.
not for you to determine the lies. It's for us,
Okay.
the committee. Okay.
So if I
Thank you.
may continue, Your Honor.
Yes, go ahead.
So during that time, SPMC reported 51 patients all in all, Your Honor, including 3 patients who refused to be transported, who were treated there in the site only. And then at 5 o'clock in the morning, that is actually the report of CDRRMO. And then at 5 a.m., Your Honor, it was total melee because omnibus searches were actually done on every nook and cranny of the compound. They searched everywhere, Your Honor. I really had a hard time as to which group I would go, Your Honor, because I was at a loss. There were so many of them and they were conducting searches at the JMC FI school building, at the cathedral, the private quarters of the KOJC members, the Kingdom, the Bible School, the hangar, the Medina area, Your Honor. And this would prove, Your Honor, that since they were armed with an arrest warrant only, then supposedly an omnibus search is not allowed. At 6:15 a.m., Your Honor, even I was prevented from entry, Your Honor. That is the barrier blockade by truncheon-wielding policemen, Your Honor, because I would like to see for myself what was going on in the hangar, Your Honor, but I was prevented during that time, Your Honor. And that is, I have a video of that, and I provided that as part of the barrier in going to the hangar. I heard that there was a general there or something who was in the hangar, Your Honor, together with some colonels. And I wanted to see for myself what they were doing, because if they are armed with a search warrant, then under Rule 126, there should be witnesses, Your Honor. But in this case, even witnesses were not allowed. Let's go to, and then next slide, please. And then after that, Your Honor, and then the PNP placed a tent at the entry point, Your Honor, and they utilized it initially as their advanced command center. They used that, and then General Torre was shooting orders. He has this very nice coach, Your Honor, air-conditioned PNP vehicle in front of that, Your Honor, a few meters away from that. And they were controlling the gates, preventing the entry of KOJC members and other individuals, including the media, Your Honor. And there were times that even my associates and the lawyers of Attorney Tolentino, Your Honor, were prevented from entering the compound. Next slide, please. And even there was even an instance, Your Honor, where the executive head of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ was prevented entry, Your Honor. On day 2, Your Honor, this is day 2, at 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the morning, an identified PNP staff member, Your Honor, pepper sprayed the member of the Board of Administrators of KOJC, Your Honor. We are still determining the name of this person, Your Honor, because we already have an affidavit complaint. But
Pakibalik mo nga yung,
Yes, Your Honor.
yung slide na yan. Balik mo.
we
May
would like
police.
to know the identity of that person, Your Honor.
Pakibalik. Yung may bukha ng pulis na nag-paper spray.
Yan,
Yan.
yan. Yan po ang nag-pepper spray po sa kay...
General Torre, sandali. Nakita mo ba yung video nito? Ako nakita ko eh.
Yes, sir.
Ikaw yun?
Ma'am Nori. Ma'am Nori.
Eleanor Nori Cardona. From the backside, ginano niya si Cardona. Tinira niya ng paper spray. Nakita mo yung video na yun?
Yes, sir.
So, ano masasabi mo doon?
We immediately relieved the person, sir, and we have already started the pre-charge investigation. And according to him, it's not pepper spray but an alcohol spray. At hindi ko na, sir, i-justify ang kanyang ginawa.
Please do not,
But that's wrong, sir.
please do not
We will not
justify.
tolerate.
Alcohol
that
ba
kind of
naramdaman mo, Ma'am Cardona? Alcohol? Alcohol yung tinira sa'yo?
Mahapdi ba yung alcohol, sir? Mamumula ba pag masprayan ka? Diba malinis yon? Tingnan nyo na lang. Kasi, ayoko na kasi, sir, palagi nagsisinungaling
So,
Torre.
sana yung tao na yun. Sana yung tao na yun.
That's a member of the Special Action Force, sir. And Rex Malimban had already initiated the pre-charge investigation.
May we know the name, Your Honor, and the assignment of this person from the good general, Your Honor?
Okay, for the consumption of this committee, please give us the name. Colonel Malimban.
Yes, sir, Your Honor, sir. Sir, the personnel is assigned with the particular SAC. He is now under restricted custody. His name is Corporal Lacanaria, sir.
Lacanaria.
Yes, sir.
From
ISAF. Yes, sir. PNP SAP, sir. 41st SAC.
Corporal
Ray Lacanaria, sir.
Ray.
So right now,
He
he
is
is
in-
facing administrative charges,
Yes, sir. We already started summary hearing procedure, sir.
summary hearing procedure.
Yes, sir.
Please update this committee. Update this committee as to the progress of the case you have charged against that personnel.
Yes.
Kumsek, take note mo ha. Hingin mo. And that does not prevent the complainant to file criminal charges if she wants to.
Yes.
Ah?
Yes, sir.
So you do the administrative charge. Dahil ako nakakahiya talaga. Para bang napaka-traidor na pulis ka. Tinraidor mo yung babae. Babae pa.
Yari ka.
Galing sa likod, gaganunin mo ng paper spray na wala. Nagsasalita lang naman yun sa harap ng mga tao doon. Tapos, galing sa likod pa. With the element of treachery. I tell you, nakakahiya. Pulis yun. Tapos babae pa yung may edad pa na babae. Mas matanda sa kanya. Gaganunin niya pa galing sa likod. Tirahin ang paper spray. Tapos sibat siya kagad. Oh, we don't want to have people like that in the Philippine National Police. Bakit kung harapin niya? Ma'am, ano bang problema mo? Mag-usap tayo. Di ba? Magpakalalaki siya. Ang pangit talaga. Nakita ko yung video. Anak. Galing sa likod. Gaganon niya yung babae. Tapos yung babae ganun-ganon na dahil tinira ng paper spray. Oh, pulis tayo. Bakit ganun na yung style ng ating pulis? Kahit na nabuburyong na kayo doon, kahit na agrabyado na kayo ng husto sa sitwasyon nyo doon, bakit? We are trained. Di ba? Be sure to update this committee sa kaso ng pulis na yon. Ako, I felt offended by that action. Napakapangit tingnan. Tapos nagkalat pa sa social media. Nasisira ang PNP dyan sa ganung klase mga pulis.
Mr. Chair?
Thank you. Go ahead.
Chair, may I please say something? I was there nung lumusob nung August 24. So I would like to surmise that I think the tyrannical behavior of General Torres emboldens his men. The treacherous at saka yung oppressive na kinakaya ang mga taong bayan ng ganyan. I think that kind of leadership emboldens his men to do the very same thing.
Noted.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
may we request the good colonel to provide us the address of Ray Lacanaria so we can move on. May we know his address, sir?
Sandali. Tingnan mo. Paki-play ulit
Yan.
yung video na yan. Paki-play.
Yan, no?
From sa likod ha.
Oh, yan.
Tinira. Tapos sibat kagad siya.
Grabe naman. Tapos
Pangit.
alcohol.
Yan. Ang pangit tingnan. No? Parang walang nangyari.
Your Honor,
Yes.
siguro hindi niya gagawin yan kung walang basbas po. Kasi tingnan mo, lahat ng pulis na kapaligid, nakatingin sa kanya, wala man lang ginawa yung mga pulis. Wala man lang nag-reprimand. Nakaupo, bumalik pa sa upuan, Your Honor, at inabot yung pepper spray sa katabi niya. Wala pong ginawa sila.
Well, that is our assumption.
Yes, that's my assumption po.
We can assume na may nag-utos sa kanya. Pero pwede rin na on his own, ginawa niya yan. We can make our own assumptions. Pero kaya nga, imbestigahan ninyo, Rex Malimban. Sinong team leader ng pulis na yan? Baka yun ang nag-utos. Sabihan mo. Klaruhin mo. Kung inutusan niya yan, mas lalo nakakahiya tayo.
Yes, sir. Anyway, sir, as what RD Pro 11 have stated, sir, we do not justify yung kanyang action ba, sir? But it is individually, sir. Bagong gising kasi ito, sir. Nung time na yun, sir. Medyo
Bagong?
gising siya nung time na yun. Nung nasipa.
Bagong gising daw po.
Nasipa. Sir.
Justify bagong gising for that kind of action. Justify. Special action force tayo. Sap tayo.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your Honor,
Mag-justify na bagong gising. Porque bagong gising, gaganunin yung babae.
Your Honor,
Naku
Kaya
po,
tayo. We are the elite.
nabutasan.
Di ba?
Yari
Special
ko yan.
Action Force. Pag sinabing kayong elite fighting unit ng Philippine National Police, you should be the elite also in terms of character. Kayo dapat ang pinaka-gentleman dyan. Kayo ang pinaka-disiplinado. And everybody is expecting you to act to be the elite people. Lalo-lalo na sa pag-uugali. Okay? Thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Correct.
just two matters so we can move on. Can we request for the address, Your Honor? And can we ask both officers,
Okay,
point blank, Your Honor?
Give me the address. Give me the address. Anong address?
Sir, as of now, wala po akong hawak. I will just give him time, sir.
Basta address. Anyway,
Office niya sa
address niya is Special Action Force.
okay.
Saan ba kayo Sa Santa Rosa o sa
Po, Santo Domingo, sir. Santa Rosa.
Santo Domingo,
Yes.
Santa Rosa,
Laguna.
Laguna?
Santo Domingo, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And just
Sub
one question,
headquarters.
Santa Rosa. Can you ask them point blank if Colonel Malimban ordered his man to pepper spray my client, or if not him, General Torre? Just point blank question, Your Honor.
I know Colonel Balimban.
Yeah, he's a good man. He seems to be a good man, Your Honor. But I would suspect...
Marawi hero ito. At hinahangaan ko itong opisyal na ito. I don't think utosan niya yung pusang alaws na, forgive me my word, yung corporal na yan na gagawin yon. Did you order that?
Definitely not, sir.
Definitely no, I'm sure. How about
Thank you.
your junior officers?
No, sir.
No. So continue with the investigation, ha?
Mr. Speaker,
Go ahead.
after the pepper spray incident, ano po ginawa ng ating commander po? Pinatawag niya ba? Lahat ba? Ni-remind niya na we have to protect the human rights. Bawal yan, blah, blah, blah. Ano pong ginawa po natin, sir?
Okay. Did it come to your attention?
Yes, sir. That's why, sir, actually before the operation, we reminded them to observe yung protocol natin, sir, yung use of force continuum. So it was relayed, sir, to them, and personally, sir, ako, sir, nag-conduct ng briefing, sir, sa kanila. Then after that, sir, he was placed in restrictive custody. That's why immediately pinabalik namin ito, sir, sa campus, sir, sa Tagum, sir. So doon, sir, na yung sa ngayon, sir, ongoing, sir, yung
So saan siya ngayon? Nasa Tagum?
Yes, sir.
Be sure. Palapin yung kaso niya. Nakakahiya talaga. Ako, yung hiya ako sa ginawa niya.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure, ikaw rin, nahiya ka rin. Di ba?
Yes.
Very treacherous. Sa likod pa, babae pa. Tapos, parang walang nangyari. Baka sabihin nila, baka isipin ng mga tao, ganun na pala mga Special Action Force ngayon. Taga-pepper spray ng babae. You are trained to fight hardcore terrorist. Not itong babae na nandoon lang nagsasalita, titirahin ng pepper spray. Please, do your share. Nakakahiya talaga yun. Continue.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mayor, I would like to acknowledge Mayor Duterte. Yes, sir.
Once again, good afternoon. I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, but I have to leave because I have other matters to attend to. but may I be allowed to leave a question?
Go ahead, you have the floor, Mayor.
Just want to ask the PNP, did you use tear gas and were you armed when you entered the premises of the KOJC? Mr. Chair, this does not to be answered right now. I just leave the question to the floor. And again, thank you KOJC, thank you PNP for and everybody who's here.
Before you leave, Mayor, I can generate the answer. General Torre, were you armed when you get inside the compound of KOJC?
Armed, sir, yes. We have personnel who has firearms as part of the security of the CDM, sir. Standard procedure.
Correct. You cannot deny that because all the videos
Yes, sir.
circulating around the
Yes, sir.
internet shows that armado kayo, di ba?
Yes, sir.
And also
How about
the
tear
tear
gas? Tear gas.
Definitely not, sir, because we don't have gas masks. Okay, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
If we intend to use tear gas, we must prepare for gas mask.